Welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne, Australia, and it's just 5 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday for me. And yes, the RBA lowered the interest rate by quarter of a point, quarter of an interest point, or 0.25. Welcome, Tom.
Hi, Brian.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Well, not too bad, just different perspectives.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah,
let
yeah.
yeah, yeah. So, welcome to this live Forex analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people who love each other and we are not financial advisors. So, if you're going to take any trades, you've got to be happy to take them and it needs to be based on your own analysis. We're just here to discuss what we may think. So, full risk disclosure there and a little bit about us as live session traders. And welcome, Darren. Okay, oh, he's out in the car. Okay, cool. She's a busy man. Busy man, that one.
Indeed.
Yeah. AD cat was that was a look at other ones. All right, so interesting. So we have an interest rate cut and price on AED CAD goes up, right? And it looks potentially could go further. Now, did you get into the buy, Tom?
No, not yet.
No. Okay, right. Uh, then potentially up, pull back, and then get into the buy on it. We'll just see. Um, yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah, thought we might. Well, it did do a sellout when the news came in, and then it just spiked back up again. No, AUDCHF, that also did the up and down. Now we're into a sell on this one. And potentially, where am I? Yeah, get there. No, there. Okay, where are we? AUDCHF. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So, Tom,
Yeah.
what are, what are our thoughts on this one? I'm looking at this. Well, there's a couple of things like it's been pushing down. It's now created some higher lows here. It's broken through that barrier there, pushed up, and now it looks like it's, you know, wanting to push down. Now the whatever this indicator is, I think pivot or whatever, it's saying we're going to get, well, it's suggesting that it's going to break the low down here. Um,
Yeah, I mine has the same suggestion.
mhm,
I'm looking at this on the higher time frame as just the completion of a pullback.
mm,
I think to get where we want to go downward, it's going to have to come across my 50% box in the middle here from the high to the low. And both these trend lines are going to have to stay under 50 as we
mm,
start selling it out, no matter how many times it pulls back up.
mm,
Does that make sense?
mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Did you understand all that?
Yeah, I did.
Because it was kind of
My
gibberish.
No, 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 no. What you said
Okay.
was absolutely fine. I'm just looking that it was down now. It's sort of pushing up. It looks like it's ready to push itself back down. Now I'm sort of in two minds of like, do I get into the sell now? Because we've got one, two, three. We've got, that's the turn. We've now got a short. There's no short on here yet. But if we show them up on the bricks, we'd get a short out of that now. But price is slightly above it, the completed brick, if I make any sense with it.
Yes. It all works
Okay.
in your brain, right?
Sorry?
It
The what?
all it all works in your brain when you
Yeah.
explain it the way it shows it, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly.
Okay. So do yourself a favor, put your fib on,
You
just
want
right
it
here
on,
from the last high brick.
yeah, here.
No, the one up to the left that it hasn't broken yet. Yeah, that one right there, all the way to the very bottom. Flip your fib around.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
then and then go from the very low one, the grab your rectangle
Mm.
from the bottom gold brick up to where it's at now.
Up to here.
Yeah, and drag it all the way across. Just keep dragging it across. So what you're looking for now
One.
you're no longer interested in what the candles are doing. You see a pullback is possible, right?
You
Okay,
mean a
this is
sell? Yeah, 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 yeah.
so this is the pullback because you see the pullback's possible. You're coming up into the
Mm.
zone.
Mm.
You tap the 88-ish.
Yeah, it's
You
tapped
hit
out
your
here.
trend line. You got your gold bar.
Hmm.
Okay, so what all you're looking for here are gold bars down once those two trend lines start crossing. So you let it run and you let it run and you let it run and you let it run. And eventually,
Mm.
this is going to push, pull until it starts going downward. Is it going to be a straight shot? Not likely.
No, no, no. No, but I'm looking at this being the turn and potentially a sell and get into it now. That's what I'm looking at.
I'm not
Yeah, I know you're not,
because
but I am.
to me, this is just going sideways. Because if you look on your daily, you have your accumulation, you have the manipulation going on.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The
And
next thing that's going to
distributing.
happen is the distribution. But you
Yeah, which
don't
is
know where this manipulation is going to end. As you can tell, it's already starting a pullback. So this could
yeah,
come all the way back up to the 88 and put a brick inside there.
yeah, it could.
That's what I'm saying. If you get in now, you risk that pullback rather than waiting and making the bottom of this blue brick your entry as it comes out of the 618 down.
Mm.
But that way you'll have some confirmation that it at least pulled back and failed. Because although your indicator is saying, yeah, we're going down, my indicator is saying we're going sideways for a while.
Mm. Okay,
So that's why I'm
we'll see.
saying what just track this space, this 50% space across. And as long as it stays within your fib,
Mm.
it doesn't make a new high, then
Yeah,
you're still going in one direction. And you're watching your trend line cut through that bread.
yep. Okay. ADJPY, yeah, it's these trend bars here that have got me. Like as you said, let's see what happens here to cross over and then we'll look at the sell. Just a bit early, potentially. Okay, ADJPY. Wow, I'll get that out of there. That was just me saying, oh, I could have got that. Right. Ooh. Well, coming up to the 88, that one. Just need a gold brick here somewhere to potentially sell out. Still going up though, isn't it? Like we've got 10 bars. Okay, we'll just see whether it breaks top or not. Okay, AUD Okay. Um, hmm. All right, we'll just put a few, but look, this is yeah. Well, that's like it hasn't come down to 61. It's broken back up past the 88. It's just going up and down at the moment here, so I'm not really sort of keen on doing too much with it. We'll just see whether it will break up past the top here. Will it be if it does buy? If I look over here, it's like it's been bouncing off here all the time, or a whole lot of times anyway.
Okay, but it's telling you it's buying, right?
Yeah, this is telling me it's buying. Yeah, I don't trust any of that. Yeah.
Okay, so if it's buying, what are you looking for?
Well, I've already got a gold. I've already got a indicator here to say it's buying. It needs to break that top there. But if it does, it'll pull back and then go back up. If that's what it's
Right,
going to do.
right. So you see that bottom gold brick? That one right
Down
there.
here.
Nope,
Yeah, down
right
here.
there.
Yeah.
No, no, in the middle there, Brian.
That one there. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
There's a delay. That's
yeah, yeah, yeah. That would be considered your Tuesday box right there.
Mhm.
That's what this has to beat to go down.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
It's
so
already created a, 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 a higher low though.
yes, I understand that. There's a higher low on the daily.
Hmm.
So on here, if that box has to be the one that gets beat, you're looking for gold bars around it.
Explain what you mean by that gold bars around it. You mean over here, or do you mean here, or
No, no, grab that bottom rectangle to your left down there, that white one.
yeah?
Yeah, and drag that up. There you go, right there. Okay, so anything around this bar, if it, because you already got a pullback to it. So if this should turn and start coming back down, you're looking for gold bars anywhere around that to buy out.
Oh, you mean not now, you mean in future. Okay.
Right, because it hasn't broken the high yet.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, it
So
hasn't.
once
That's
this
right.
breaks the high to tell you we're going to keep going up,
Hmm.
if it comes back down, as long as the gold bars are
Yeah,
around
yeah,
this
yeah, yeah,
bar,
yeah, 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 yeah.
you're looking
Or
for buys out.
out. Yeah, okay.
Now, if this green line changes and tells you it's a sell, then you're only looking for gold bars that are going to sell. Once they start failing and this blue line turns white,
Mm.
that's why you want the 50%
But
to tell
yeah.
you which side of that line that trend line is on for the space from the high to the low inside from the 618 to the 100, because that trend line is going to have to come back down underneath that 50% mark to go down. It's a repeatable system. It's the same every time.
So you mean 50% in here?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I thought you
The
meant. Okay.
50%, the only thing you're using the 50% thing for are those two trend lines. That's it.
Hmm.
So when this
I,
trend line turns white inside this box, actually,
mm-hmm.
you got to raise your box up to the top one.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So
And
anytime when this starts turning white and it starts pulling down around, you're going to see these candles going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And you're looking for this green one to come up and match the white one. And it's going to break the fib, hit your 50% mark, and down you go. You're trying to take these small trades up and down when I'm saying I'd rather see this whole damn thing just turn and head one direction. So for now, it's showing me we're in an uptrend.
yeah, it does.
So anything that I'm going to look to do is
Get
buy
into,
out of
yeah,
this
is buys, yeah.
until
But
those
the
two cross the green and the white, and then we'll determine whether or not we're going down.
yeah, exactly. Okay. I'm like the ADCHF, same. I'm looking at this. We've got one, two, three. I'm looking as to break the high there.
Yeah, me too. But I'm
And then
I'm looking at this saying I'm not taking that buy until
yeah,
it comes
okay.
back into this area and
All
sweeps
right.
this liquidity. My entry is way down here by that white box. If it pushes up and I
Mm,
miss it, I don't care.
okay. Oh yeah. AUD Singapore, I'm in a buy and it look at the craziness
Did it
for
tap
a
you
whole
in?
day. Oh yeah, I'm in. Yeah, no, I
Was that the one you set for the tap
that's the
in?
market. No, that's the market execution.
Oh, okay.
I market executed it. No, so I got in from here. I think it was. Where was that? No, no. Yeah, there. No, that's the six. I want to make it where? Must have been there. Okay. Right here. I'm looking at this gold indicator to disappear. Anyway,
That one?
the one that's there,
Yeah.
yeah, the
Oh,
current
I
one.
see.
And I mean, prices now it pulled back and now it's pushing prices going back up a bit at the moment. But this is like, look at the wick on that. All the wicks, both ends. Like it
Mm-hmm.
came way back down here. So just as well I packed out the Stop loss. Okay, so I am in that for the buy. Okay, AUD USD. Oh, that is messy. It hasn't come up to 619 or the 88 yet. I'm going to wait on this one. Okay.
Your fib's backwards.
Hey? Oh, yeah, for it. No, it's right for the moment because if it comes up, touch the 61 of the A, that's when it'll drop off. Wouldn't
Oh, I
you?
see.
That's how I see it.
No,
So if
no,
I'm looking for sales,
you're right. You're right.
I want to see it. If it touches there, we get a gold, then it's coming down. But like this is saying it's jumping all over the joint. So I'll just wait and get some sort of confirmation in that one. The AUD USD is yeah, anyway. All right, CAD CHF. Right. Look at all this up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Like it just finds a new area and then it just goes up and down again. Which I don't think, well, it could. You could get some percentage out of them. It's pretty, anyway. KJ, well, um, that day, that was, oh, okay. Geez, it hasn't moved much, has it?
Mm-mm.
The last completed is like on the Friday, the 8th of August. It's like there's been, you can see sideways, there's been no movement. It's not worth even going near. I mean, that's a good indication, isn't it? If you can see when's the last couple of candles, is it actually got any momentum or not? I mean, you can see it
Yes.
over there. I mean, that was there back on the first floor. That was good momentum because it's like, July 1st, there's a whole heap of them. Anyway, CHF JPY, I've got that one for a sell, but look at it. It's pushed back up here.
Hmm.
That's good. So I might need to revisit where my entry is. So my entry is down the bottom here. We'll just see how far that.
Yeah. So was mine, but I killed that trade.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm saying to you. That needs to be. Well, actually, I'm going to keep the order in place, and what I'll do is I'll just reconfigure it once we get a um once we get a turn and a gold back down again. You just kill it out, get rid of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because what has to happen?
Oh, it has to pull up. It has to come up to say 61 or whatever, and then it has to change because this will go blue to white to blue, and then back to white again.
Right.
Are you there, Tom?
Yeah. That's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
sorry.
I said right. I agreed with you.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
why have that money sitting on the table when you don't need it?
Oh, okay. So the reason why is one, it needs to remind me that this is a trade I'm wanting to get in when it's appropriate. If the trade is there and this drops out really quickly, right, and I haven't had time to readjust it, I will still get into the trade.
Okay.
It'll still initiate
Whatever works
because,
for you.
yeah, well, that's where my head is. I'm just sort of giving you the thought. So if what happens later today or tomorrow morning, even we get a gold and it starts coming down, I might even kick in or change the parameters of that order, the sell stop, because the sell stop. I might even change the parameters of it so that it kicks in slightly earlier. That makes sense?
Hmm.
Okay. That's my thinking behind it. Because if I kill the order, then I know I can come back and look at it. But what has annoyed me in the past is I've had orders in place and these things has just broken through and kept going. And I got rid of the order and it's like, what was I? Anyway, okay. Just me.
Not just
You're
you, man.
you're AUD. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I got in this. I'm already regretting it.
Yeah, because it's pulled back up.
Uh-huh. But
But the
I'm
but
hanging on.
yeah, because it hasn't got a gold indicator there for it to say that it's
Turning back up, right?
it didn't have anything here to say it's going back up. Even
Yeah.
though price has done that. But I think you might be right because he stay in because I think what it's done is it's come back up to take out this wick. Like, can you see where it's dropped? It's
Uh-huh.
pulled back up to take it out, and now it's going to get ready to potentially drop off because it has been pushing down.
Well, it's the gold bar on the daily time frame.
Okay.
So imagine a gold bar where your stop loss is,
I can change it to daily if you want. Change the Renko to daily.
or
Is that
just
what
do
you're
it on the
talking?
daily time frame so you can see
Oh,
what I'm
you mean the
talking about right
daily over
here.
here? You mean the daily over here?
Yeah, imagine your stop.
Yes.
Imagine your stop is a
Yeah.
gold bar,
Right. Okay. Yeah.
and well, about half of that, and the other half of that is a blue brick underneath it on the daily.
Mm-hmm.
You have the high where the short is. This is going to
Mm-hmm.
create a lower high, and I'm looking for the sell out. Now, I may
Mm-hmm.
be in early on the right hand side, and I may
Mm-hmm.
lose this trade.
Mm-hmm.
But the facts remain. The fact remains. It's gonna either drop out because you got a gold bar,
Yeah.
or it's gonna push up and create a gold bar underneath it somehow, and we're gonna go up. That's just it. You don't
Yeah.
know. But I'm taking with
Yeah.
what the gold bar is showing me on the daily,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
because everything on the daily says we're going to sell.
Mm.
So I just may be into this too early. It may come up and take that top brick because there's no wick.
Mm. Or it
I
may
could see
just,
that happening. But
or it may just drop off as well.
right.
Mm.
And this
Because
green
there's,
line change.
yeah, because there's no gold indicator there. Anyway. Yeah. Oh, you're just waiting. Okay.
Yeah, it's you're going to win, you're
Again,
going to lose.
yeah, yeah, correct. You can't win every trade. That's right. All right. And that's for me, this result here is why I didn't want to get into that trade yesterday, going, nah, we got the interest rate decision. I hate this, how it does it. All right. Okay. Euro CAD. Plus also too, we've got some crazy person in Alaska on Friday.
Oh,
Okay.
right.
Yeah, that's going to push markets around, particularly euro. I think all this euro stuff's going to have, uh, anyway. Okay, so what the green line's saying is we're going to come up, break the top, and then we're going to go into the sell. I'm waiting for Goldbrick to get into that sell. That's where I'm at the moment. Same spot?
No, I'm waiting for the gold brick at the bottom because we're buying.
Yeah, but don't you want that sell out to
Nah,
then
I
do
could
the
care about
buy?
that sell.
Oh, I do. I want the sell. Okay. We'll see how we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, but you still say it's going to come down somewhere down here and then go back up.
Yeah, I'm setting up my trade for uh the last how do I explain this? The last Tuesday box to the prior move to the left. Now, just do this screen for a moment. All right. You see, you, let's see. Where would it be on yours? Close that up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. So you
Yeah.
see one over to the top of the left. That one right there. Draw that across. Right there. Okay, so as you see, now this has already came down, and I'm on this side
Yeah. No.
of that last bar up,
Yeah. Yeah.
and my indicator is telling me because we made a new low here and swept this one here,
Yeah.
this is going to pull back, tap that white bar, and go off.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm waiting for this pullback down to here. So anywhere around this bar, this white bar, anywhere, either
Yeah.
below it or above it,
Yeah.
if I get a gold bar, I'm buying it out till it takes off.
Oh, I will do that as well. But what I'm going to do in the interim is get the sell out.
Yeah, the
Get the
problem being is
sell.
you don't know when it's going to sell.
Oh, I do. Once I get a gold and I get two, I'm into it then. Back down to here. So if I
Okay.
go do a short, let me see. One, two. It'd probably be there where it currently is. This will be potentially there. And then this will be there. I can do with that. I will have to make my stop higher to start with, but then anyway, that's what I'm looking at. But this is not, this hasn't given me a gold bar yet to tell me. And then once it does that, comes back down, then I'll get into the buy. I'll just do a Tom. Get out of the sell, get into the buy.
Okay.
I'll look at that. Okay. Euro USCHF. Right. Okay. Oh, this is saying it's going to keep buying. Sorry.
I said yes.
I don't think it's going to have to do a pullback, which you can see already starting to figure here now.
So where do we think it's going to pull back to?
Back to this 619, somewhere back here, or that middle there, and then take off. I mean, you can see where this is CHF, so you can see the trend lines are just kissing and crossing and kissing and crossing, and it's going to have to pull back a bit. Like it can't just keep going up like this line suggests. Well, I don't think it will. There will be a pullback.
Okay. On your
We've
daily
already
time
started
frame,
here. Yeah.
or I should say on this time frame, what do we know it has to do before it breaks something?
What's it got to do before it
You
breaks
see the
something?
left, you see the left brick with no wick?
This one here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
What do
going to
we
have to, it'll probably
what
break
do we
it.
have to do before it breaks that?
Has it got a pullback? Is that what you're
Yep,
saying?
that's exactly what I'm saying. It's got to pull back.
And
That's
then
why you're
take it.
seeing the red now.
Yeah.
Anytime you see any move, I don't care what move it is, uh, you see a gold bar, look before it. There's always some sort of red wick. because
Yeah,
it's
okay.
got to have a pullback before it gets enough energy to push through. So if it's got to pull back someplace, what's it going to pull back to? The only place it left liquidity, that wick right there where your white line is.
This one here.
The the one with the gold bar.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And
That
that one
one
right
there.
there. The top of
Yeah.
that wick.
Yeah, so but I also look over here. I'm going like that pushed up, did a pullback. Pushed up, pushed up, pushed up, pushed up, did a pullback. Right? Which we're seeing here now. So whether that pullback's finished or whether we get one candle and then it starts going back up again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, hang on
But
a
to
minute.
pull back,
Sorry.
it's
Well, just give me 1 sec. I've got to go turn the fire down. I forgot to. Hang on a minute.
okay, sure.
Sorry about that. I just oh, do that. Sorry, you were saying.
Okay. So what I'm saying is it's got to pull back. So we're trying to figure out where it's going to pull back to, right?
Mm-hmm.
So run your fib,
It's already
run your
on there. Oh,
right.
it's got to go the other way.
Thank you.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that's what I was
So
saying.
where's your 619?
Yeah, just here.
Okay, and the 50%?
Is there above it.
Where's the white wick that's going just above it?
The white wick.
Yeah, you see your gold bar there?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, slide that box over to your left a little. Okay.
Yeah.
You see that red wick right
Yeah,
there?
yeah, just there where the 50% is. Yeah.
No, no, the gold bar to the right of
Oh, you
that.
mean that red
That
wick?
one right there. Mark that
Yeah,
one.
it come up to the oh,
Yeah,
okay, hang on a
mark
sec.
that one.
Oh,
Okay, so now for shits and giggles, if you would, can you grab a placeholder
yeah, hang on a sec.
for a
For
long?
us for long. Okay. That's what I was asking. Yeah, you want it over here?
That's your entry line.
Okay.
This the 619, go all the way back to the 619, and then take
Hmm.
that gold brick just below it. Too far. One brick up.
That's where I was. Oh, you
Yeah.
mean just that little bit? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, just that little bit. And then
Hmm.
you'll run your profits to the top of that one. That's fine right there. So patience here is what's going to be critical. So
Hmm.
if you're able to be patient while this turns around and comes back, then you could pick up the trade here.
Hmm.
If this turns and starts coming back and let's say only goes to the one that doesn't have any wick at the top on
Yeah,
that
yeah,
line
yeah,
and turns,
yeah,
then that I would consider, yeah, maybe we should be getting in for the buy at that point. It's not going to
yeah.
make it back here.
No, correct.
But this should be your setup for the pullback because you
Yeah.
want it to pull back because then you are going to get that hard shot to beat it.
For it to sort of slingshot out.
Exactly. So this
Hmm.
may pull back and push and pull and push and pull and push, pull. And then when it gets down in this area, the moment it starts tapping into this area,
Yeah, that's
I'm
where it'll
looking for
go.
buys out.
Yeah, okay. Oh yeah. I got all right, you're a GBP. This one's weird. Looking at this to buy out. Look at it. It's already, we don't have a gold bar or a gold, indicator yet. Let's just pull back to there. Look at that. Hmm. It reckons we're gonna, all these euros are gonna, well, not all, but majority buy back out. Mm.
I don't know. I don't know if they're going to or not. I know. On the higher time
Oh,
frame,
this is telling us it's potentially doing that.
right? So these two indicators on my daily and this lower time frame are both saying they're going to buy from here.
Yeah.
So now I'm only looking to take buys out of this.
Yeah. It hasn't broken that necessarily. It came down, didn't take the wick. Well, we've just got to see whether we get a gold indicator here
Because
or
that
not.
could turn into a wick and drop down,
Correct.
put a gold bar underneath it, and then take off again to
Correct.
beat that wick.
Yeah, correct. Um, what was I going to do? Something. Oh yeah. What do we got here as? This is growth. Oh, that one. That's unemployment. Doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah, that's all like growth stuff. Okay, it's nothing. Okay, so the euro will take off. All right, we're just got to see what happens over the next day or two. What do we got now? You're in Tuesday, aren't you? Tuesday into your Wednesday. Okay,
Mhm.
right. Potentially direction change. All right, Euro JPY, and that's already taken off. Messy. I don't like that one. Gonna have to either it'll break top, pull back, or it'll pull back here. Then it's like no. All right, you're at NZD. Oh
Oh, I'm still hanging on to this one.
yeah. Oh
Mm-hmm.
God. But look what it did. Changed and pushed back up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't have actually this one I'll have this to look at. You sure it's gonna sell out?
I sure as hell am hoping so. I got 3 trades on this.
It's pulled back up on you.
Yeah.
I think it'll come up one more brick and then drop off. Okay. Well, let's see how you go. No, I'm not in it yet. Look at that. That is so disappointing, isn't it? Comes over here, he does this, and then all of a sudden pulls back up on you.
Yep.
Blooders. All right, Euro Singapore, particularly you're in three, so it's like, all right. Um, mm, and I reckon that'll disappear and we'll go further up. Okay. Um,
If
that
that's the
one.
case, if that's what you
Yeah,
think,
that's what I think.
then that's where you want to be in the buy.
Yeah, I know. I agree. Let's go. Whoops. What am I doing? Yeah. I wonder if it breaks that. Oh, close to that 88. Okay. There. Let's see. I haven't set it up. I'll have a look anyway. We'll just see what happens with it. Euro USD. Oh, Darren's. Euro. Oh, well, that pushed up. Oh, did you get out of those? Oh, Darren might not be able to. Did you get out of the sell on that
I
medium?
was still in the I think no, out of all those, but on FX Proctor, I've been in drawdown for a while now. I'm stuck in cells on FX Proctor, so it's sort of ranging between 3 to sort of 5% in drawdown.
Yeah, but that's
It's been like that for about a week at the moment.
a week. It's
Yeah.
nothing, is it?
No, it's
It's
not.
like,
It's not.
but that one's the Proctor, that's the one that's the most volatile, isn't it, really, Darren?
Yeah, that seems to get into the drawdown quite regularly, that one, yeah.
Yeah. But then it's also
Yeah.
to the higher profit. Um,
It's, yeah,
oh, sorry,
yeah.
you broke up.
So,
Yeah,
yeah, that's
okay.
right, Brian. So,
You're breaking up, Darren. That's okay. Yeah, well, that's the fun of the fun of being in EAs where you do get that drawdown and you sort of gotta grit your teeth and see what happens. Because once it's in trades, you're in trades and that's it. You can close them out, but you'd just be closing out in loss all the time. Um, yeah, he's gone. Yeah, you got to hope that it's going to stay in it. All right, then let's look at the GBPs. What we got time wise? Oh, yesterday was interesting. I did the new bus run yesterday. It's like pretty cruisy. I'm out in little country roads. The the asphalt's only as wide as the bus in a
Oh,
lot of
cool.
places. Yeah, I think I passed three cars in the whole trip. It's pretty out there. I'm picking up a lot of farm kids. Anyway, yeah, interesting. Brand new, no, virtually brand new Volvo. A beautiful bus to drive. Oh, so smooth and yeah, everything works. It's
Yeah.
a bit different to the old shit apes I've been driving. Okay, all right, GA. Now, um, what have I got? Have I got an order on that one? Yeah, I do. Oh, I'm way out. Look what it did. It never came back.
Yeah, I'm in this.
Oh, you're in it already.
Yeah.
Okay. It didn't come back. Remember, I don't know if you remember, I was looking at it to come back to here somewhere and then take off, but
It
it
did.
just it did?
Yeah, look at your red wick.
That one.
Yeah. That's why I keep telling you. That's the point it's going to come back to.
Yeah, but I didn't. I had it back to here.
Right.
So it did, it came back to there for you and then spiked you in and then off you went.
Yep.
All right, I missed. All right, I'm waiting for that. Oh, okay. Well, what am I going to do? Do, 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 do. Ba, 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 ba. Is it on its way up? Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to get that one there. I'm going to kill that out, which is different to what I normally would say, I suppose. And then I'm going to have a look at that when I get back. Because I think when market changeover, look at the push up it did and then just suck back here. Okay. You would have been like way up here with it into it, and then it's like just pulled back on you. Well, we got one. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Right. It only just moved in and off it went. That would have been the right decision yesterday. Okay. All right, GCAD. Oh, 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 now that's going to have to do a pullback.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then get ready to get in. It just depends on how far that pullback will be. Oh, yeah. GBP CHF. Oh, that's doing the pullback. Oh. Hmm. Think it'll be worth getting into the sell on that once I get a gold bar. I'll have a look at that as well. GJ. Right. Now, will it pull back at this point? Looks like it's going back up too. Well, let's wait for the pullback and then push up that one as well. I'll have a look at that. Looks like a lot of the GBPs are getting ready. They've been pretty lackluster recently. Oh, okay. Where's the gold? And just watch this as well. Taken that, hasn't taken that. Okay. Look at all this. What a mess there. Now it's taken off, crossed over. And do a pullback. Oh yeah. GBP Singapore. No, on that. GU. Are you still in that one? Tom? You still in the bottom? Oh, sorry, you can't answer.
I'm sorry. No,
No.
I got the bottom, and it pushed
Yeah,
up, and
yeah,
then
and you
see
got
where that
out.
red wick came in.
Yeah, just here.
No,
Oh, this one here.
yeah, at the top. I got out.
Uh-huh.
See where the red wick is?
This red wick, did you
I
say?
just got back in.
Right. Go back in for the buy. Okay. Yeah, I think it'll buy further too. Let me just that one there. Okay, let's go through the NZDs. NCAD. You in the buy yet?
Oh no, I'm waiting for this baby to drop off like a rock.
Don't you reckon that'll push up further?
Not according to the daily.
Hmm.
I'm
Okay.
looking. I'm looking for this to pull back up into my fib into the 88 and drop off.
Okay, so let me just put that on. So you're saying from here to the wrong way. You're saying here to there, and you reckon up to that 88 and then drop off.
Yep.
Hmm. Okay. All right.
No, 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 no. That fib's too high. Down to the
Oh,
next gold bar.
you want it down here.
Yeah.
You think so? And what, you want it in there?
Everything I have says it's going to do that. So if you're confident because you know that's going to change within one brick,
Hmm. Yeah.
you're caught inside the
Yeah,
fib
yeah,
zone.
you're in. Yeah, I
You got to
know.
have your 50% from your high to your low
Yeah, hang on, I'll
and
just put
watch
that
that
in.
50%. The trend lines are going to tell you.
Well, it's over above the 50 already. It's up to 61.9. Oh, well, it's not completed break. We'll just see. All right. Because I'm looking at all the rest of these NZDs, you know. Oh, this one's yeah, selling out. Oh, but that's NZDCHF. Okay. NJ. Oh, this is oh, are we gonna have a pullback before it takes off, or I think this will take off.
Mm,
I don't think it'll do this just from that wick there. Anyway, I'm going to put a greenie on there to look at. NU. Ah, it's going to dance around. We need it for a sell anyway. It's all right. Singapore Japanese yen. Slightly positive. It was up more and then it sucked back. But oh, that doesn't look too good, does it? Mm. Well, if I get a gold in there, I'll probably get myself out of it at a small loss. Right, better watch that. Okay, UCAD. It's going back up. Take that out and then
I
we'll
just got
sell
into the
out.
buy.
Yeah, I think it's not worth it for me. I think I'll get into that sell when it turns. Best of luck, mate.
Oh, look
Yeah.
at that. Oh man. Okay, so on the daily, we got a higher low, we got a gold
Yeah.
bar, we got a total of 3 bricks up, and
Yeah.
that brick just came back and touched the gold bar on the daily to push out.
You think it'll continue to buy?
Absolutely. We're going back up to this higher time frame trend line.
Hmm.
In fact, that's the target up there was where it's got to beat is that wick.
Yeah, up here, that we're here.
Way to your left, way to your left.
Oh,
Like
really?
way left.
Oh, you reckon way up here?
Yeah. Uh
Yeah, yeah.
I'm looking at it to come back to there's a big drop. That gold bar to your left.
Yeah, in here.
To your left.
Oh, even further.
Yeah, you see the gold bar there with your with the white box around it?
Yeah, yeah, this one. Yeah.
That's where it's going back to.
Okay.
I know I sound crazy. I know I do.
No, that's okay. We'll see if it does. I think it'll fall off the cliff. Let's go. Friday, he'll open his mouth and, oh, I can't do a deal with my best buddy Putin. Yeah, no. Putin
A
won't play
pretty good
marbles.
impression.
Putin won't play marbles with me. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Anyway, USD CHF. Okay. Oh, look at that. Done that pullback. I don't think it'll break them all. Anyway, we'll see what happens. CHF's a bit, I'm not great with it at the moment. All right, here we go. What's this? UJ? See if it goes up further or not. Anyway, that's not conclusive at the moment. USD and Singapore. Yeah, I gotta wait for that too. I'm not ready to take that one off. Gold. No, he pushed down yesterday and it's just sort of sitting mulling away today. Yeah, it's not really done anything. That's a Monday. Okay. Reckons it's going to go down. Okay. And silver. Right. So silver's going to go up and gold's going to go down. It's like, okay. Bitcoin's back to 119, 120. I don't know whether it'll punch that. I think we'll get a bit of it's already looked like it's pushing itself back down again. Might come to there and then push up. Well, it reckons it's going to go up to 130. Okay. We'll see. And oil has dropped off a little bit again to 63. Okay. Oh, and it reckons it might go further. Wow. Maybe while he's up there in Alaska, he might drill out a bit more oil or something. I don't know. Or all of a sudden there might be a whole lot of Russian oil popping, you reckon? Because Putin will make a deal down. He's not going to make a deal on anything. All right, let's see.
No, and Putin's going to get what he wants, and Trump will tell Ukraine too bad. And
Oh, yeah, but Ukraine won't
wow,
listen.
what was
So,
that?
oh, that was copper down there. Remember copper when he opened his mouth and, oh, there. Remember copper? So all the copper
Holy
pushed
shit! Look
up.
at that drop.
And then he said, "Oh no, it's not. We're not going to do pipe." And it's like copper just went and dropped off the face. That was really interesting. That this is his tariff stuff. Like, yes, we're going to put tariff on. Oh, bing, bing, bing. And then, oh no, it's not on the pipe. It's blah 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 blah. It dropped off.
Wow.
Yeah, I know it was a big move that. But I'm not trading that sort of stuff anyway. All right, well, let's see. So that one's way out. What was the other one I got? Oh, CHF JPY. Oh. Oh, yeah, I got an order on that one. Well, oh, there it is. Yeah, wait for that to drop out. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay. There we are. Job
Good
done.
stuff.
Yeah. See what happens. All right.
Yep.
No problems. I've got to go drive me
All
bus,
right.
do things, and
Be safe out there.
hopefully I will do.